bear with me that we are actually going to make a lot of cool cash after getting to know this strategy I'm about to show you. So what you need to do is just open your Monetag account or your Astera and follow this video from the beginning to an end, and I'm actually going to reveal to you a secret that you'll be using to make a lot of money using your Astera and Monetag. But this video is basically going to focus on money tag strategy. All right, so what you're actually going to do is just go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, which is Mr. Henry. We are currently watching the video on. All what I do is to make money with you guys. So just go ahead and subscribe and be part of the team. Also, the link to my WhatsApp and my Telegram channel can be found under the description of this particular video. So go ahead and join me out there as I used to share a lot of updates with you out there. Turn on the notification bell and let's continue with this particular video. So what you actually need to do is to go ahead to your new browser and just go to your Monetag account. Now, with the help of this strategy, although it's safe for you to do that, but for you to know the evidence and also prove to yourself that this strategy is actually going to help you, go ahead and create a new account for yourself. Just click on the sign up button here. All right, so once you click on the sign up button, just go through the create account with email. Just input in your first name, your last name, email, country of residence, all the necessary information, your messenger phone number, and verify yourself. Now we are actually trying to create new account just because it's very easy for you to track that this strategy is actually helping you, and give yourself 1 good month. And I'm actually going to share with you this strategy and everything you have to know. Just 1 good month, and you're actually going to see the results of this strategy, the organic results or the organic traffic coming from this particular strategy into your Monetag or your AdStar account. So bear with me and just create a new account. Getting a Google account is not a difficult thing. So go and get a Google account and insert in your email here, country of residence, your messenger, your phone number, and just go ahead and continue and verify yourself. Very easy and very simple to answer. All right. So just go ahead and create an account. So let me just try to log into my account, and then let's continue from there. All right, so I'm trying to log into my account, my usual account, and try to log in. All right, so this is my demo account I mostly use for my video sake. All right, so I'll actually go ahead and share with you everything you have to know. Now what you're actually going to use, you'll be using the direct link strategy. So I currently have some direct links here, but you can either click on add direct link to click on that to add a new link to yourself. Now once you're done, come to this particular website. All right, come to this particular website. This is the name of it. I don't know how to pronounce it, either Imego or Imeji or Imego, right? So just come to this particular website here. Okay, so once you come to this particular website, what you need to do is just click on the sign up button to sign in with either your Google account, or you can input in all the necessary information you prefer out there. Now, there is this one thing I love about this particular website. I'm actually showing you guys on the screen here. All right, so the interesting thing I love about this is once you come to this session, which is similar web. All right, similar web is actually trying to tell us that this particular website gets a monthly visit of 87.1 million, which means about 87.1 million users visit this particular website each and every month. Very cool, easy, and for you to gain cool traffics. Now, not only that, once I scroll down here, you can get to know that the ranking, you can get to know that the top 5 countries which mostly visit this particular platform is the United States, right, which is about 38.03%, followed by the Japan, Taiwan, and then we have United Kingdom and Canada here. There are other countries beneath it or under it, all right, but mostly what we all target is tier 1 countries, and we have one of the tier 1 countries. This is the toppest of all tier 1 countries, which is the United States, and that is good for us. And we also have United Kingdom and Canada. They are also tier 1 countries that we can target, which means this particular website gains a lot of traffic each and every month. And people have not been using this. So just trust me, create a new account on your Monetag or AdStar account, and just go ahead and try this particular website for 1 good month and see the result of it. All right. So what you're actually gonna do here is to just go ahead and create an account by clicking on by clicking on this aspect, which says sign up an account. Now once you click on this sign up an account, it's actually going to take you to this session right now here. I already have an account, but what you need to do is just go ahead and input in your name, your email, and then you are good to go. No password needed. You can even use their Google or your email to sign up an account for free. All right, so once you are done, then this is what you're actually going to do. Look at, there are a lot of viral content here. All right, and the user submits, you have a lot of content here, and then a lot of viral posts here. Now you can just scroll through to know what is actually trending. All right, so there are a lot of pictures here. It's a website, or it is a website which allows users to upload short videos and pictures. All right, it's very simple. So you can just scroll through and just get to find out. Now, once you tap on any of these, so let's say I want to tap of this particular picture here. So this particular image got about seven it got about 7,000 or 7K views within 6 hours. Very simple. And then once you scroll through here, you can get to know there are a lot of pictures and just the simple articles that we can also generate it ourselves and insert in our Monetag or our AdStara direct link. All right. So let's go to different one and check this out. All right, so let's say I want to check this image right now here. All right, so this image got about 9K views within 4 hours. Very simple. So you can also check the comment section, and we can come to this aspect here and then click on, let's say, this image here, this kid. So this kid got about 4K views within 21 hours, and it's very simple to us. So you can also go ahead and do the same. So I'll show you everything you have to know. Now I just created this account for trial sake and check this something out. So my post here was one of my terminals. I just use one of my terminals to post and check it out how it works. So I've gotten only 8 views for 1 hour. This is a new account though. All right, this is a new account. So I tried it with my Monetag link here. You can see it right now here. So this is a fresh account. I don't mostly use it. This is a fresh account, but I'm actually sharing with you most of my top strategies that I've been using. I already have a main account there. All right, so within just 1 hour, I got 8 views within just very simple. So what you actually need to do is to just come to this particular website. I urge you to go ahead and post about 5 pictures or 5 videos every single day. Every single day. 5 pictures or 5 videos every single day. Don't add your link. All right. Don't add your link. Just post it for five, give a 5 post every single day and calculate it for 1 month and come and tell me the results in my comment section in my next videos ahead. All right. Or better still, what you actually need to do is to just go ahead and then come to this session here. What you need to do is just go ahead and then, yeah, so I have only 2 points. That's cool. All right, so how will you generate a picture for yourself? Now you can go to Instagram, or you can come to this particular website, which is uh pixels image. All right, so come to this particular image. There are a lot of pictures people are posting just which are similar to this. All right, so you scroll through and just pick up something that you love to just post it. Now make sure the copyright don't get you. Make sure of copyright. So let's say I want to get this particular picture. It's a video though. So let's say I just want a picture. I want a photo. All right. So let's say I just want this guy's picture. I'll go ahead and download the image and it will reflect at the top here, right? So I have the picture at this section here. And what I will need to do is just come to this particular website and come to where it says this plus button here, all right? Click on choose photo or video, all right? Yeah, and just click on where it says this picture, open. Now you have the picture right here. All right, so what you're actually gonna do is just give it a unique title and also add a description to this particular post. Now this is what you're actually going to do right here. What you need to do is just come to your chat GPT. All right, so this is a chat GPT. Just click on it. and just look at the image that you want to post. What is it about? What's so special about this image, or what can you say about this image? All right. So let's say it's a lifestyle. So I would like to tell ChatGPT, right? So write simple, simple, and brief, attractive. Write simple and brief, attractive. Um, let's say introduction about fashion. All right, about fashion. All right, so it's very simple and cute, right? So you have something like this, very simple and cute. Now, what you need to do is just go ahead and copy it, and then come to where it says your image here, and give it as a description. All right, and then leave. Oh, sorry, and then come to here which says your title, or give it a unique title. And let's see, fashion for everyone. All right, so let's say fashion for everyone. So the next thing you actually need to do is just come to this section here which says connect people across the world, and then give it a space. All right, and let's say um watch more. Let's say watch watch more, or you can give it anything which will be very attractive. All right, it depends on how you're actually going to say it, or how you're actually going to frame your English or your phrases. All right, yeah, so watch more here. All right, watch more here, and then you go back to your money tag or your ad star, which of them will be working for you. So I would like to use this direct link, copy it, just give it a try, create new account, and just give this particular trick a try. All right, so just copy the link here, come back to your rig, and just post it here. Just paste the link. But most of the times, I prefer people not to do this mistake. All right, so just don't do it just like this. All right, come to your new and just click on um link shortener, link shortener. All right, so let's say link shortener, and then I would like to use, let's say I would like to use this one. All right, so come and paste it here, and just click on shorten link, and then what do we have here? We have this one here. Our link is shortened here. Now, this is where I would like to tell you guys, if you have a landing page, you can use the landing page so that people can see what you're doing. Now, if you want to collect emails, you can use the link from collection of emails to collect emails, so that once people come here and read and start inputting their emails, you can funnel their emails for future reference. But if you want a direct source, just go ahead and shorten the direct link from a link shortener, and just come here and paste it just like this. All right, not only that, now once you are done, come to this section which says um let's say get get fashion fashion dress from us. All right, and just go ahead and paste it in here. Now the interesting part is this website doesn't um this website is actually not going to ban your links. They are never going to ban your links. Okay, now click on add, click on where it says post to gallery. All right, post to gallery. Now, once you are posting to gallery, means that this content will be available for immigrants or whatever. Do meaning those people who be watching, who will be watching or who be on active on this particular platform to view, vote, and comment. Are you ready for an audience? This is very simple for you guys. So just try this for 1 good month and let me know the results. But if you're watching this particular video and you're really enjoying it, please go ahead and give me a thumb like, and also comment this particular video, and subscribe and join the Telegram, the WhatsApp channel. Both the link can be found under the description of this particular video. Now what you need to do, just click on post to gallery, right? Now once you click on post to gallery, it's automatically there. Now check this out. Within just now that we posted, you can see we have 4 views. All right, we posted this and we have 4 views. Now, trust me, post, post 5 times a day, post 5 times a day, and just come and tell me the results in my next previous or my next videos that I'll be uploading ahead. Or you can just come back to this particular video and come and then comment on it. All right, so check this out: 4 views within just now. Wow, this is so amazing. Now, the fact is, people are going to actually ask, will my direct link works? Yes. Now, once you scroll down here and click on the image that we recently posted, and just go ahead and then click on your link here. All right, so let me give a click on my link. You can see the link is loading here, and then this is how your Monetag or AdStar link is actually going to be. Now I have the second link here. Let me go ahead and click on it. All right, so this is how the second link is also actually going to appear. So basically your links are going to perfectly work. So once you start getting a lot of followers or a lot of views on your post that will be posting, just as I said, post every single day 5 times. But for the first time, I bet you don't, or your first 2 weeks or 1 month, do not go ahead and insert in your links. All right, just start posting, post something attractive, post something relevant, start posting what people are really going to get engaged to. And within some few possible months, people are really going to get engaged to whatever you be posting. And then you can start adding your link or your direct links to them. This is a very simple strategy I have been using, and I feel it's really going to help you guys do same. So just go ahead and start with this strategy, and it's actually going to help you. Now, if you really found this particular video interesting, just as I said, give me a thumb like, subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, like this video, and leave a nice comment. And I hope to see you in my next videos.